Hey, what's up everybody? Well, this is what I'm doing today. Trying to get, little things done here and there. Well, getting the old tint off the windows. Anyways, my way of doing it is you just take some hot water with some like dish soap, and then you just take, there you go. You could use a spray bottle, but I'm just using paper towel. And you just cover up the window. You get it all over the window. And you take your razor. You can get these at Harbor Freight for like $4. And this is pretty nasty glue here. It's a lot of labor, but you could pay somebody to do it, and who knows how much it's gonna cost, especially nowadays with prices going up. So if you got some time, if you're not in a hurry, you do one window at a time till you get the car done. And I got 2 doors, 2/4 windows, and the trunk glass. So yeah, this is gonna take a long time, especially the trunk glass. I'm not looking forward to that, but oh well, it is what it is, because I can't even see out that back window. So anyways, that's probably gonna be it for today. Actually, you know what, I will cut back to when I get this window done. I'll show you before. Well, you see the before, you just gotta see the glue. And I'll cut back when it's all off. 1 second. Oh, there she is after, I guess I was working on about an hour. It's not too bad. I'm not an expert. But hey, you save a bunch of money, because that would have been some major labor, especially for the whole car. Well, that's it for this video. This is what I'm doing today. Next video, you will see the whole car completed. No more tint. I'm not going to put any more tint on it. Well, maybe. We'll see how hot it gets this summer. Later. See ya.